Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edrao Department of Information Technology. Today start on lecture 7 course, that is subject name Applied Multimedia Techniques. First of all, know what is our vision and mission statements of our department. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. After that, departmental mission statement, in there three statements are there. First statement, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second statement, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Last third statement is that to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Okay. After that, syllabus of the subject, there are total 5 units are there. In that, unit number 1, introduction to multimedia, is already completed. We continue the unit number 2, image editing and compression. Okay, this subject is only for practically subject, no theory exam, so no need for their marks. Okay, chapter wise marks. Okay. After that, course outcomes. What is meant by course outcome? After the completion of course, what we will be achieve. Okay, in that CO first means prepare images using different color models. This CO will be achieved after the completion of unit number 1. That same, after the completion of unit number 2, we achieve which CO? Edit images using graphical processing tools. Okay, you understand which CO we achieve after the completion of second unit? Edit images using graphical processing tools. Okay. Summary of previous lecture is that in a previous lecture, which point we are studied image types in under the raster format. That under point which format means what, which file exchange, image extensions points are studied, that are bitmap, that is BMP format. After that, graphics interchange format, that GIF. After that, joint photographic expert group, that is JPEG. After that, tagged image file format, that is TIFF. The last one is that portable network graphics, that is PNG. Means what, in a previous lecture we studied, these are the definitions are there, means what, these are the all are the image file extensions. Okay, now we continue the next point, unit number 2, image editing and compression. In under the unit outcomes, which are the unit outcomes means after the completion of this unit, which points are we achieve, that are first, to A, describe use of the given image or graphics manipulation tool. After that, identify changes occurred in the given file size and image quality after format conversion. After that, to C means 2 means what, this unit number 2, so in that 2 is used. Okay, describe the given image editing operation on an image. 2D, explain features of the given image compression technique. After that, last one is that 2E, write major steps to develop the given GIF image or banner using GIF animator software. Okay, means what, in unit number 2, which software we studied? GIF animator software. When we start our practical, that time we is easily you studied that software. Okay, So now start on today's lecture on the point. Which point start on today's lecture? Basic operations on image. Okay, in a word is explained that basic operations on image means what is image. On a image we are any operations are apply. Okay, that operations are said to be image operations. Okay, means which operations are there? Basic operations means main operations. Which operations? One is the crop, after that resize, after that complement. Okay, these basic operations are studied one by one. This subject is only for oriented practically subject, and these are the concept we already know. Crop means what, resize means what, complement means what. Okay, this using through we effect on that image means what, we operations on that image. Okay, so start one by one point. Crop. Okay, what is meant by crop? Okay, what is meant by crop? After the crop, what will we achieve on that image? That removal of unwanted outer areas from a image. Okay, the process usually consists of the removal of some of the peripheral areas of an image to remove extraneous trash from image, to change aspect ratio, or to accurate the subject matter from its background. Means what? In short, what is meant by crop means which are the unwanted areas on images, from images, that are remove it. That's said as the crop. Okay, these subject are dependent on totally practical subject, no theory exam. So no any studied in detail, or no any need to buy in detail notes. Okay, only for you clear your points. Means what is meant by which are the operations on image, basic operations. After that we only clear the point what is meant by crop. After that what is meant by resize. After that what is meant by complement. These points only enough for your level. Okay, so only for you clear your points, concept of your points. Okay, so you understand what is the concept of crop. Okay, I will show some examples using through crop, means how to crop operations are applied on a image. Okay, this slide. Okay, in this slide or in this point we show the examples of crop in that image. Okay, in that only for this part is crop, means these remaining points are unwanted areas will be removed. In this image also same, these are the unwanted images are removed, only for this area will be accept, means what, crop that image. In that also same, this areas only for accept, that remaining area will be removed. In this example also that said that only for this part is taken, remove from that other part on that image. Okay, means on in that some part will be used, after unwanted areas will be removed. That means crop operations on a image. Okay, means how will be crop operations are done on image, you clear that point. Okay, now start the next operation, basic operation, that known as the resize. Okay, what is meant by resize? Resizing image is a transformation to reduce the output file size. Okay, means what, in that reduce the output file size. In that what the reduce file size are reduced. Okay, that's said as the resizing image. Okay, in resizing operation you can specify width and height of the resulting image. Means what, when we resizing operations are done, that time we given the input, like means you specify the width and height of that image, means that which you provide the height and width value, that on that values through your image will be resizing. Okay, means reduce the that output size file. Okay, means what? This way resizing is the entire image, making it smaller. Means what? Reduce the size means what? That image will be in a small size. Okay, that entire image will be as a in a small size. Crop means in that image is cutting some images which, or cutting the part which you will be want. Okay, which you will want to that part on that image, that will be cut on that image, means what? Crop that image. But in a resize means entire image will be changed in your small size. Okay, not in that cut. Clear that point? What is meant by crop? What is meant by resize? Okay, resize means change the size. Okay, means reduce the size. Okay, using through example you easily clear that point. I will show two examples of resizing operations on image. Okay, in that examples are shown that this example. Okay, this is your original image. Okay, this will be reduced means that type. Okay, in this image means what? This is the original image, in that we given the height and width. Okay, this image value, for example 500 width and 500 width and 500 height. Then after that, when we reduce that image, that time, or we resize the image, that time given the height and width will be, for example we given the height 400 and given the width 400, that time this 500 image will be resized in 400 by 400 means height and width, this will be shown. Okay, after this image will again we resize it. Okay, then this is the 400 height, 400 width. Okay, means 400 by 400. This is the output when we resize it. For example, we given the 300 height, 300 width, then this will be resized in this like. Okay, same as I am given a value as a 200 height, 200 width, then this will be image like as a, or see as the this like. Clear that? Means not the changes at image, only for reduce the size, entire image will be shown. Okay, only for reduce the size. In a crop that image. Okay, means what? Which parts are you want on entire image, only for this part will be crop it. Okay, in a resize, all our entire image will be use only for size is change, means reduces size, means in a small size as compared to original size. Clear that? Okay, all some examples are also shown in that. This is the original image, this will be resized, after that again this resize. Okay, means what? It is the output, sorry, given the input will be achieve output, after that it is the input, we got the output. Okay, means size will be reduces, changes size, means in a small, but your original images are there. Clear that point? One another example also shown. Okay, in that also this is the your original image that are reduced. Okay, means what? That resize it, after that again that expanded it, means in this size. Okay, in that given the one pixels. Okay, we given the height and width value, means what? We given the pixels number. Okay, because images are created by using through pixels. Okay, for example we given for example, okay, this image will be height is 1000 and width is 200. Okay, after that given the height is 500 and width is given 100. After that again we given the height is 1000 and width is 500, means which value are height and width of original value, these are again we given, then these are the same as the original value. Okay, means first of all we reduce, after that again we original file or also we also achieve that. Okay, means what, we given height and width of our previous image. Okay, in that image also same as in that show, also resize and also crop also, means what, this is your original image. Okay, this will be converted into resize, means it is image is resize it. How will be, our entire image will be shown, but only for size is changed, means it is the bigger, okay, it is the smaller. Okay, you see that. After that we crop, means what, this all entire parts will be not be used. Okay, crop means what, unwanted area will be cutting. Okay, only for you which you want to area, that will be taken. Okay, in that only for this part, in that using through green rectangle are shown, this part only for the taken, means this part only for crop that. Clear that? In this example also shown that. In this also, this is the original image, this will be in a resize, means original image same as there, only for size is changed, means reduce the size, means smaller in a size. After that crop it, which part is crop, only for this rectangle, green rectangle through that shown, that only part will be crop it. Clear that? Okay, this example is through clear your point, what is meant by resize and what is meant by crop. Main basic operations is resize and crop. Okay, clear that point? After that complement. Okay, this is the basic effect, basic operation on image, but it is the different of as compared to resize and crop. Okay, maximum which basic operation or maximum which operations are used, only for crop and resize, means resize and crop operations are important as compared to complement. Okay, we studied complement. In grayscale image, when we apply complement effects, then it reverse the color combination. Okay, for example, white pixel becomes black and black pixel becomes white, means what, using through pixel our image will be created. Okay, in that said that we apply complement effect on a image. Okay, that time it reverse the color combination. Okay, in color combination means what, black and white, these are the color combination. When white pixels are there on original image, that becomes on black. When black pixels are there in original image, that becomes white, means white to black, black to white. That are known as the complement effect on image. Complement in word, that indicate that in using through word we said that, or we observe that complement means opposite. Okay, what is meant by complement means opposite, means white to black, black to white, because black and white are opposite colors. Okay, in also resize word, in using through word we indicate that meaning is that. In also crop, using through crop word we indicate that meaning of that concept. Okay, same as in also complement. Complement means opposite. Put the opposite, one color to another, another to one, means what, swap that colors, means what, black to white, white to black. Okay, that's all known as the complement. Complement operations or complement effect on a image. Okay, so examples to show that. In that this is the white, means it is the complement on a white, in that black and white. Okay, that this part only for white. Okay, generally not the complement effect are used. Okay, maximum crop and resize, these operations are used on a image. Okay, so hope their points are you clear that. Okay, summary on that today's lecture is that basic operations on image. These points are studied on today's lecture. Means which basic operations are more, okay, number of operations are there, but which base means operations, or also we said that the effects, okay, on a image, many number of you given a effect of operation, effects or also said as the operations, but we studied only for basic operations. Okay, so which basic operation? Crop, resize, complement. Crop means in short cutting the image on a original image. Resize means size will be reduced on a original image. Complement means we complement the color, means change the color, black to white, white to black, means on a color combination through change the color. Complement, opposite color, means opposite effect we given on that image. Okay, but in basically said that, once again said that crop and resize image are maximum to use. These effects are given to on image. Okay, and these are operations you already know. Okay, only for revise wise, or only for revise these points, because all are use mobile, so in that mobile you use crop, resize. Okay, you capture the images. Okay, that time on a image you operations are performed, crop, resize. That's same as, okay, in multimedia also you use that. Okay, homework on today's lecture is that write in your notebook today's lecture points, and also previous lectures are also given the homework. Hope all are completed it. These points are completed. Lecture wise your points are written on a notebook. This is better for you. Okay, okay, now here stop on our today's lecture. In this point any doubts are arise, then contact with me, no problem. Using this video through you will clear that point, then you like and subscribe this video. Okay, and on the situation of COVID-19, okay, means corona through, in our college start our online lectures, so all are that that facility use it. Okay, so all are stay home, stay safe, and watch the all videos lectures of all subjects. Okay, once again thank you.